out there, good day to you. Today I'm gonna teach you how, or give you an idea to be how to be creative. I have here a bag. This is a boring bag. Before I made this denim flower on it. This is beads, this one, and this my other bag that I made. I combined 3 flowers on it. I put a little stem on it. This one is an eco bag for market use. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you how to make a denim flower. So I have a denim. For my materials, denim, and this already I made, and a pen to draw petals, a scissor, and a needle with thread. Okay, without further ado, let's start. I'll be using this running stitch. So guys, thank you so much for dropping by my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for dropping by, and I hope you will support me. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This flower is not only for bags, you can use it for decorations in anything you want. Okay, now I'm done. I'll be putting this one here. Okay, and then I have to sew it from the back of this one. Okay, just to secure the end of the fabric. Sorry for the noise that you heard. Okay, it's done now. Put the locket here twice. So here's the flower I made. You can put also this one here, or a button here.